Pagi hari paika pasa, makan kue dalam-dalam. Sebelum presentasi ambo buka, izinkan Denai mengucap salam. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, I would like to thank Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala who has given me the opportunity to present this time in front of the honorable panelists. My name is Vinoza Shalsabila from Mandalas University, and I am the representative of my team, which consists of Yoga Saputra, Muhammad Ravel Yulio, and Fahrul Hidayat, under Mr. Muhammad Imran Hamid Ph.D. as Supervisor. Once again, it is such an honor for me to present in front of amazing panelists, even it's only online due to pandemic. Honorable panelists, talking about pandemic, we all know that in almost last 3 years, the world was stricken by coronavirus disease 2019. This virus spread easily to almost every inch of world and suddenly become worldwide pandemic. To prevent the spread of virus, there are some action that we could do. Two of them are doing social distancing and also screening people's temperature periodically, especially in access to public area. And for the second point, we observed that most of public places in Indonesia screening visitors' temperature manually with the help of security, and it happened monotonously. Quoted from grade 2001 and Minto, work that is done monotonously and repeatedly can lead to work boredom, which results in error. The error still giving possibility for security and the visitor to have direct contact and become virus spread media. Therefore, we eager to designing automatic door integrated with temperature screening and automatic hand sanitizer to restrict public access as COVID-19 prevention. To make it more focused, there are some scopes of the problem. In this project, we only use sliding door, and then because of we use infrared sensor for object detecting, we need to assume that there is roof above this door, so the light around the door is constant and the noise is minimal. Third point is the place has different in and out access, and the last scope here is we assume that the object follows every instruction given. To make this project happen, we went through various steps. First, we did discussion and brainstorming with the team and supervisor in order to determine the problem and its possible solution. And then, we designed system which consists of sliding door, temperature screening device, and automatic hand sanitizer. And after that, we built a system based on the design that we have made before. And final step, we do the trial and analyze the results and also doing the correction if needed.
So here is the design of the system that we are going to build. This is the sliding door, and it is equipped to screening temperature device and also an automatic hand sanitizer.
In this system, we use two controllers. The first one is Arduino Uno, is used to control the screening temperature device, and the system as a whole controlled by Texas Instrument C28335. How is this system actually works? Basically, when the object detected by infrared sensor, trigger signal will be sent to Texas Instrument and send instruction to Arduino Uno to check object's temperature. If the temperature below 38 Celsius degrees, then green lamp as indicator will be on, and the temperature will be displayed on OLED. Then, on signal will be sent to Texas Instrument to activate motor using motor driver L29N. The motor will be on and the door will be open. When limit switch 1 pressed by the side of the door will stop open for 3 seconds, and after that, the motor will rotate in the opposite direction to close the door. And in otherwise, if the temperature is 38 Celsius degrees or more, red lamp as indicator will be on and the temperature will be on screen. The motor, of course, will stay still and the door will never open. And for the automatic hand sanitizer, when infrared sensor detects objects, the trigger signal will be sent to Texas instrument to activate relay. So the DC pump will be on and flow the hand sanitizer liquid out of the bottle.
So these are the steps of making this project. Here we're making the frame of the system, and then the circuit was equipped according to design. And after that, we designed the controller. We programmed Texas Instrument using Simulink from MATLAB, which embedded with Texas Instrument. And after all this component finished, we were doing trial per unit to make sure each part is function. This one is when making automatic hand sanitizer, and after that, this is the making of screening temperature. And after that, we combine all of the parts as a system and paint the frame as finishing touch.
Okay, so today we are going to demonstrate our project.
Going to connect it to supply. This one for motor driver. And another one for Texas Instrument.
That was the demonstration of this automatic door. Thank you.
After finish building each part, we do some tests. The first is testing the temperature value of sensor and compare it to reference temperature, which is using thermogun. The second is test the detection range of temperature screening device. And then we also test the automatic hand sanitizer to know the detection limit of its sensor. And final trial is testing the system flow, where it will be run 10 times and see if the flow has correspond to the design.
And for the result, we obtained that the detection range of screening temperature device is up to 10.5 centimeters, and automatic hand sanitizers also can detect object up to 10.5 centimeters. And for the system flow test, from 10 times of experiment, all of them are success and the system running corresponds to the design, with average time is 3.764 seconds. So after that, we can conclude that this project is one of the solutions to implement health protocol for public places access that integrating screening temperature device with access door. And the system needs 3.764 seconds in average to finish the flow and can detect up to 10.5 centimeters. That's all about our presentation. Thank you for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.